లేటెస్ట్ న్యూస్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం తెలంగాణ 99 ని ఇప్పుడే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.
Aruna,
Yes.
see, I think you want to give some diet tips for increasing immunity and for a healthy living. Please,
yeah,
I think I'll get back. I mean, you can start.
Actually, this diet is a 1500 calorie diet. So, uh, can you see the screen?
Yes, yes, we are with you.
So, this is an immunity, basically a low calorie or a medium calorie, because 1500 is not a medium calorie diet. It's not a low calorie diet. So, we are reducing the calorie intake by 500 to 300 calories. And I'm going to give you 3 options for this. So, like for example, different geographical region people will eat different kinds of diet, right? I've given here with 1 cup warm water with half a juice of half a lime juice and honey. So this itself is a very good immunity booster. Then I've given idlis, what idlis, millet idlis with sambar and 2 egg whites and a small bowl of peanut or coconut chutney, which also improves the immunity. Then for lunch, you have fruits again in between. So definitely take seasonal fruits. And then for lunch also, make it a point to avoid white rice or anything white in color. For example, anything based on maida or anything, go for brown rice or 2 rotis or anything. It could be janna roti or whatever. And then ample amount of vegetables to go with that. And then black coffee is supposed to increase your immunity actually. Okay, 1 cup black coffee, 1 boiled egg. Whoever eats egg now, there are a lot of misconceptions that we are not supposed to eat non-veg also, but it's not like that. It's wild animals we are not supposed to eat. You can actually have egg and chicken and meat, whatever, but cook it properly. Don't take it in a like in a semi-cooked form or raw eggs or things like that. And night again, you can have 2 rotis. What I mean by 1 medium bowl vegetable and kadalai curry is nothing but you can take more of like a green gram or you can take chana dal or black chana dal or chicken curry. So these are the options. This is diet number 1. Okay. So when you come to the next diet, again, you can have the same. This lime juice and honey is a must. Not because it will help you to lose weight, but because it will give you ample amount of vitamin C. Again, you can have another option is with like you can have 2 rava dosas, or you can have something with tomato and onion chutney instead of peanut and coconut. You can have a cup of black coffee. See, these are optionals. You can change and you can mold your diet according to whatever you've been eating. So don't start eating something new, but just tweak your diet a little so that it will help you a lot. And then 1 cup cut fruits is again compulsory. Again, here I would like to add, like whenever you bring fruits from outside, I will give you a wonderful tip. Soak it in lukewarm water with some amount of sodium bicarbonate, which is called as cooking soda, and then leave it aside for 15 minutes. You just leave it aside for 15 minutes and then even half an hour is okay. Then wash it thoroughly and wipe it with a cloth, dry cloth, and then you start eating the fruits. Don't eat anything like fruits are something which we don't cook, right? So don't eat directly. Just soak it in lukewarm water with little bit of soda and salt, rock salt, and then you wipe it in a dry piece of cloth, and then you can have it. That will be absolutely safe for you. Suppose if you eat raw fruits, that is going to be a problem for you again. Again, you can stick with the brown rice or rotis. Just understand that this roti could be anything. You can take jowar roti, you can take wheat roti, you can take ragi roti, or anything that is good for you. The third, again, you have the options. I think you can see the options. So these are the 3 kinds of options you have. And then the third option, I've given fenugreek seeds. So this kind of diet will be useful for diabetic patients or cholesterol, like those who have high cholesterol levels, or even blood pressure patients. So make it a point now to keep all these things under check, because it's very essential that you control your comorbidities also. So you can take fenugreek seeds every day, which is very easy to take. Just soak it overnight in a cup of water and then include it in, like take it with buttermilk or something like that. And then take to Peseratus. Peseratus is a very, very good option right now because it is a very, very rich source of protein. So based on your geographical location, please alter your diet according to these three options. And again, green tea is supposed to increase a lot of, you know, antioxidants, exactly. And then have a cup of freshly pressed juice. Now, this is a confusion to everybody. Should we take fruits or should we take juice? See, it's like this. Whatever you can take it directly, take it as a fruit. And whatever you can freshly prepare as a juice in summer, only in summer, that option is there for you because there is a chance of you getting dehydrated. So take liquids as and when you can take. And so fruit juice is allowed here. Then you can have, again, I've given you what vegetables you can have. And here, if you see, I've included pista. So almonds, pistas, they are also immunity boosting foods. You can add them also in your diet. In the end, again, dinner, it's the same thing. So stick to this in a very regimented way. If you notice, I've not given sugar. I've not given any kind of processed food. And I have not included anything that is fancy, which is very simple and very easily you can cook in the house. And you have everything here. You have probiotics in the form of buttermilk. You have dry fruits that give you a lot of sustained released energy. You have a lot of vitamin C. You have a lot of fruits. So please, very simple diet, and you can follow any of the three options depending upon which region you belong to, and just tweak it.
Thank you, Aruna. Thank you. And you want to clear any doubt like cleaning vegetables?
Yeah, I will. Yes.
Can we use a normal detergent for cleaning of the vegetables?
No way. See, normal detergent is
even soap, normal soap.
Yeah, I got it. See, fruits and vegetables are porous. Okay, so if you wash with something like a normal detergent, like whatever you use, Vim bar or Vim liquid or whatever, I'm not naming anything. So if you use anything like that, what is going to happen is it's going to go inside the vegetable and the fruit. So that is totally not allowed. You have three options. Option number one is, like I said, you can soak it with a lot of lukewarm water. The vegetables have to be completely submerged into the water. Add a little bit of soda, or another option is you can add rock salt. So these two things you can add. That is the first option. The second option is you can add vinegar. If you have vinegar at home, see, don't go to the malls or shops running to buy something like this. Whatever you have in these three things, you can adjust within that. So the second option would be vinegar. Vinegar also is a very good cleansing agent. So the surface of the fruits and the vegetables will be thoroughly washed. You have to soak it in this solution for 20 minutes. The third thing is you can even use potassium permanganate. Of course, this time it is not available. If at all you are lucky enough, these three things are lucky enough to get this, then you can soak it in these three liquids. More than this, more important than this is when you bring the vegetables and I think I'll show a video of how to even wash, When you bring the vegetables and fruits inside the house, you just leave it aside for 24 hours. Just bring it, assign a place in the house like the entrance or the foyer area or the driveway or whatever. However convenient or wherever convenient it is in your house, just leave it. That's what I do. Just leave it aside for 24 hours. I completely leave it for 24 hours and then do this soaking in water and wiping in wet cloth and stuff like that. Very, very, very important. What I do with perishables is, like, for example, rice packets and wheat packets and whatever, wheat flour packets, I don't even bring them for I just leave it untouched for 3 days. And then I open the packet. Again, I sterilize the packet with a wet wipe or with a wet cloth. I spray some sanitizer onto that and sterilize, and then we use it. We have been religiously following this for the past, say, 20-25 days since the lockdown. Very, very religiously we've been practicing, and vegetables are, very, very nice, and you're washing it thoroughly. So happily also we are able to consume all these vegetables.
So this is what I want from you. So don't use it immediately.
Yes.
Keep it aside for some time, if possible, minimum of 24 hours. If it's possible for 3 days, it will be excellent. Then use it. Don't use it immediately. The problem is we still don't know the nature of the virus, whether whatever we are using, whether it works or not. Still, we are not sure. So the best way is keeping it away. So like as a surgeon, when we go into the operation theater, the what all methodology we follow, we can use the same thing in the house. See, in
Exactly.
the sense, so like not necessary always, spirit or all solutions. Simple washing with simple regular solutions, whatever we're using our hand, clean your hands properly, clean everything, our utensils properly, and whatever there is no urgency. For example,
Exactly.
all cover packets can be very clean, but in sometimes the vegetables which we cannot use high detergent, like you have said, I think better to keep it away for at least 24 to 74 hours, then use it. Okay, that's okay.
Yes. And then I told, since cooking soda and salt is there in everybody's house,
Yes,
definitely you can use this for,
I think you say cooking soda means it's a baking soda.
yeah, baking soda.
Yes, okay.
What
Thank you.
about haldi or haldi, paspu?
Paspu, yeah, you can use paspu also. But what happens with baking soda or cooking soda is, since it's a base, it also removes the extra pesticides and insecticide sprays on the vegetables. So you're going to get organic vegetables also. So it's going to be healthy plus organic. See, everybody will have cooking soda, I'm assuming. If you
Yeah.
don't have, you can go for rock salt and haldi.
Right.
Actually, there's a shortage of cooking soda in the market because I'm trying to buy it. It's not available. So if
Okay.
you get it, use it.
Okay. Thank you, Aruna.
ఈ వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే తెలంగాణ 99ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం గంట కొట్టడం మర్చిపోవద్దు.